Oh, no, 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 no.
Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone, welcome back family and compliments of the season. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on this channel, my name is Chichi and I concentrate on fashion and lots more. If this sounds like what you're interested in, to go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. Become part of this little family. Let's grow together. And to my returning subscribers, you all know that I love you. Thank you guys for coming back. God bless you. I know you all are dying to see what I picked up from the Chanel store, so I'm not gonna waste any of y'all's time. Let's just get right into these picks that I got. So the first item that I picked up is a pair of accessory, and it's an earring. Let me get the bag right now. This is the bag for the first item. I took off the camellia right here because it was black. Chanel's holiday package is this gold and black wrappings and all this stuff, and to me I just feel like it's kind of like dull, you know, so I just took it off. Let me get the item out. This is the box right here. You can see it's a black and gold camellia right here, and the ribbons are black and gold. I'm not quite sure why Chanel decided to use this as their holiday wrapping, but it's quite dull, I must say. I still love my white and black wrapping, but what the heck, it's just a wrapping. But you can see how it blends with me, right? It makes my outfit black and gold. They could have used something else, not black and gold. Well, let's open it up. Take off the camellia. So these are the earrings that I purchased. I do love these earrings. They're so gorgeous, they're so pretty. They were a little bit similar to the ones that I originally wanted, but not exactly, well, quite not exactly to what I wanted. But this was a great alternative for me. Once again, these are the earrings. I love the pearl details right here and this little hook right here, and then has the CC right there. So this is my first pair of silver earrings from Chanel. I was looking for a gold version because I'm a gold girl, but like when I'd seen these ones, I really loved them. And all right, so I have put on the earrings and I just want to show you guys how it looks on my ears right here. I love the earrings. They are so beautiful. I feel like they're so versatile. They're silver, even though I wanted the gold earrings originally, but I love this because I can see myself rocking these very well, and it's going to be my closet for a very long time. So yeah, this is a great alternative to what I originally wanted. So the second item that I did get from Chanel is a pair of another accessory, and it's a sunglass. Let me get that out for you guys. This is the bag, and I'm going to take out the sunglass from the bag. So this is the box right here. Let's unbox this right now. This is the case that the sunglass comes in. Let me bring it forward. It does say Chanel right there, and I love the quilted details right at the back. Also, you can see that at the sides as well. Can I hold this as a clutch? I'm already thinking of how I'm going to rock this even without the glasses inside. That's me. So in here, it's like a velvety Velcro material, and right here it does say Chanel as well. The sunglass that I got is this beautiful sunglass right here. Right here. You can see that it says Chanel on both sides. The Chanel logo on both sides. I do love this details right here. It goes in line with this the Chanel logo right here, and I just love the square shape that it does represent right here. So right here has the Chanel written all over it, and I'm just gonna put it on my face so you guys can see it. What you guys think about the sunglasses? Tell me it looks cute on me. Tell me it's beautiful. I know it is. Child, please look at this with them earrings. Oh, it is beautiful. I know it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Funny enough, a friend of mine, shout out to Nancy New at Home with Nancy, she also got this sunglasses, and when I seen the video up, I was like, girl, we think alike. So we both bought the same sunglasses, and I know she loves her sunglasses because I love mine. All right, moving on to the next item, which is the bigger purchase. It's the handbag. So let's get the handbag. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the box right here. This is my most sorted handbag. Like, I literally was stalking this my SA for this for a very long time. I am so happy that I got my hands on. Like, you guys will not even understand how excited I am. I don't even want to wrap it. I just love it. Like, let it just sit in my closet like this. So let's unbox this right now. Are you guys ready to see what's in here? Are you guys ready? You ready? Okay, let's open it up. Look at this beauty right here, guys. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh my goodness. You know, I love gold accessories and everything more than silver. So I was ready to get my hands on this because of the color contrast of red and black that it's given right here. I was ready to get like the silver hard white. I didn't mind, you know. So let's get into the details of this bag. All right, let's get into the details of this bag. Now that I've taken off the wrappings inside the bag, let's dip into this bag. Now you can see the reason why I chose this, because I'm like, I just love the contrast of red on black, and I didn't mind waiting, you know, for this long to actually get what I wanted. Like, guys, if you really want something, it's better to wait and get what you want than just dip into anything just because you want to get that item. Fabric is made out of patent leather, so it's that shiny leather, which I really do love. I love how it reflects in the camera right now. You can see how shiny it is. You can see the reflection of the black and the red as well. And pulling out the handles, the handle right now, put it to the front right here. You can see how it reflects on the bag. Right here, you would think that it's like a black chain right here, but it's a mixture of black and silver. To the fabric inside, the chain is black and the chain is actually silver. The leather fabric is black and you have the chains woven around the leather. Next, you can see the logo right here, which is the CC logo right here. It's also made of silver hardware. I'm going to open it up. And then you have, so right here is a little compartment right here with the zipper right here. And the reason why it's called a classic flap is because it has this flap right here, and it's divided into 2 sections. So you have this section right here, and you have this opening right here. You see it right here, and then it opens this way, and then you have your CC logo right there, and then you have the second compartment right here. So right here you have the logo, and then you have the Chanel made in France right there. This is inside the bag. You also have space right here to put things that you want to put. It's quite big enough to put a lot of things inside here, like wallet, cell phone, lipstick, even like a mini cosmetic bag can get into this bag right here. Also at the back right here, you do have the compartment, which is in black. I love the contrast red on black, and this is the little hole right there. Inside lining is also red. Overall, I love this handbag. I love everything about it. Let me show you how it looks on my shoulder. It's my new baby in my closet. I don't have so much to say about the bag because the bag is just popping in my eye, you know. So you all see me rocking this bag back to back. Don't come for me. I just love it. I just love it. I can't. I don't know. I'm obsessed. Obsessed with this. It's very beautiful. It even goes with what I'm wearing right now. And it's not too short, it's not too long, it's perfect. It's for my body size, it's not too big. I would have loved to get the jumbo, but I just feel like the jumbo is too big for my size. I'd rather stick with a medium. I'm going to be drilling on this that I got. And yeah, this brings me to the end of the entire video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section as well. What you think about those items that I picked up from the Chanel store. If you're drilling over the handbag, which item was your best? Even though I know my best item already. But let me know which item was your best. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please do stay safe. You know, it's crazy out here. Do stay safe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.